Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Viber is installed, signed in, and permissions are granted. Next, open the conversation with the person or group you want to call, tap the phone icon for voice or the video icon for video. When prompted, choose call type and wait for connection. If you're on mobile, make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. On desktop, ensure your headset or webcam is selected. This gets you into the calling flow immediately. Once connected, control matters. Switch audio to speaker or Bluetooth so you hear clearly, and toggle the camera if privacy or bandwidth requires it. You can mute your mic to avoid background noise, or use the in-call chat to send links and images without interrupting. For group calls, add participants from the chat, and consider turning off video to improve audio if network is weak. These actions let you optimize quality and maintain conversation flow. To finish, tap the red hang up button. You can review call duration in the chat afterward. If you encounter no audio or frozen video, first check microphone/camera permissions and switch networks, Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, to rule out connectivity. Restarting the app or device often clears transient problems. Make sure Viber is updated. If issues persist, ask the other party to test their setup. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.